Good morning everyone. In previous class, we discussed about the upstream side drop one. Okay. Then the downstream side drop one length part. Then we discussed about the breadth part in this class. Okay. The length we consider the extra side slope. So here the height of the excavation is what? For downstream side dropper, the height of the excavation we consider from the bottom of the foundation to the ground level also. Here the bottom of the foundation to the ground level distance is equal to how much? Follow the end view of showing drop wall at bottom to ground level. Here the distance of the swelling is provided 10 cm thick, and from the swelling ending point to the bed level distance is equal to how much? 140. Okay, 140 plus swelling thickness is equal to how much? 10 cm thick. The total height of the excavation is equal to how much? 150. So the vertical distance here is equal to 150. The horizontal distance is equal to how much? Horizontal is equal to vertical by 2, because the ratio of the side slope is provided is 1:2. So the horizontal distance here is equal to how much? Horizontal is equal to vertical by 2. So here the total distance is provided. So 542 plus how much? 2 into 150 by 2. For both sides, look, 542 is equal to the actual length of the drop wall at upstream side, at downstream side, and 2 into 150 by 2 is equal to the horizontal distance of the side slope. Okay, the total distance is equal to how much? The total distance is equal to 692, and we consider the same in breadth part. Here the breadth of the excavation is equal to how much? The breadth of the excavation part. We consider this part also. The breadth of the excavation. The breadth of the excavation here provided is 110 centimeter thick. The breadth of the excavation we consider here 110. For the side slope is how much? Side slope is 1:2 ratio. The height of the from the bottom to the ground level is how much? 150. We know from the bottom to the ground level is 150. So the breadth part we consider the breadth of the excavation 100 plus 2 into 150 by 2 for the side slope. Okay, the total distance is how much? The total distance is 250. Then height of the excavation is 150 from the bottom of the foundation to the ground level. The total value of the downstream side is how much? Is the length is in centimeter is here given. We consider in meter. The 692 centimeter is equal to 6.92 plus into 2.50 centimeter is equal to how much? 2.50. Then into 1.50 meter. Then we get the quantity is 25.95. The total quantity of earth excavation here is 41.44 cubic. Okay, is that clear? Then we are going to the next one. Next is earthwork in filling. Which person the extra person, in case to avoid the collapsing, then we have to fill it. So the filling person, how can we consider the filling person? We know first the excavation part. In item number 1, excavation number 1, the total value of excavation is equal to how much? 41.44. Then we deduct the total value of item number 3 and 4. Fine, the item number 3 and 4 we consider, because the item number 3 and 4, the person who is constructed on the excavation part. After the construction of single brick, flat swelling and the cement concrete part, then we going through the construction of the filling part of excavation. So before we going through the earthwork in filling part, first of all we discuss about the single flat swelling value. Then cement concrete with brick ballast value. Then after that we consider the remaining part of the earthwork in excavation and filling. Okay, the first of all we discuss about the single brick flat swelling. Here the single brick flat swelling also provided for in case of upstream side, in case of downstream side also. In case of upstream side, how many numbers of single brick flat swelling provided? 1 numbers. And in case of downstream side, also 1 numbers of single brick flat swelling is provided. So first of all, we consider the upstream side, then we consider the downstream side. So here, the single brick flat swelling is the bottommost layer. It is the bottommost layer of the foundation. Here, the bottommost layer from the upstream side, from the downstream side also here provided. Okay, so it is the length of the single brick flat swelling for upstream side. It is the length of the single brick flat swelling for downstream side. The length of the upstream side is 542 and length of the downstream side also 542. So first of all, write down the upstream side value is how much? 535 here provided, but actually value of single brick flat swelling is 542. Here by mistake the value is printed. Actually the single brick flat swelling value is 542. Then for the upstream side also or then downstream side also the single brick flat swelling is 542. Then the thickness. Then single brick flat swelling thickness is how much? For upstream side, the thickness of brick swelling is 75 here provided. Then for downstream side, the thickness of brick swelling is 100. So then we get the quantity because the swelling provided is the unit is square meter. So we consider only length and breadth. Okay, then we get the quantity also. Then the total quantity we define. Then we are going for the cement concrete 1:3:6:1 with brick ballast for upstream side and for the downstream side. For upstream side it is also 1 numbers and for the downstream side it is also 1 numbers. For the upstream side how much the value? Then for the downstream side how much the value we get? When we discuss about that. Okay, so for the upstream side 1 numbers cement concrete provided and the downstream side also 1 numbers provided. The first of all we are saying about the cement concrete part. Here the cement concrete provided which breadth is 75, thickness is 30 for the upstream side, and here the cement concrete is provided for downstream side. Here thickness also 30, breadth is 100 is provided. It is equal to the swelling rate. Okay, and the cement concrete length is equal to 535 because the swelling length is equal to 542 and the cement concrete length is equal to 535. The cement concrete is proceed from this part. From this point to this point the cement concrete is proceed. So the cement concrete length is provided here 1 numbers, upstream side for downstream side also 1 numbers, length is 535 for upstream side and downstream side also 535. Breadth is 75, we already showing there, and the downstream side breadth also 100. Okay, then thickness also 30 for downstream side and upstream side also 30. So the total quantity of cement concrete is how much? The length is 535 centimeter. Then we convert it in meter, 5.35 and 75 centimeter is equal to 0.75 meter and 30 centimeter is equal to 0.30 meter. Then we can multiply the value. Then the total value of upstream side is equal to 1.20 and for downstream side the length of the cement concrete is 5.35 meter. Here right here 5.35 centimeter. So we convert in meter is 5.35 into 100 centimeter is equal to 1.00 meter. Then height is equal to 0.30 meter. Okay, then we get the quantity 1.61. The total value of cement concrete is equal to how much? 2.81 cubic. Okay. Then we go into the next one. So student, today time is over. The remaining part we discuss in next class.